I'm going to demonstrate how to do a hand release push-up. Anytime you're doing push-ups, form is the most important part. I don't want you using momentum or flinging your body up and down using bad form on a push-up isn't going to help. So for a hand release push-up, we're going to start in a nice plank position. So that's nice tight all the way up. You're on your toes in the back, and you have a straight line from your shoulders down to your ankles. Keeping nice and tight. As you come down, you're lowering your body down, keeping your elbows in tight, and you're actually allowing your body to rest on the ground with your hands coming slightly off the floor. Doesn't have to be much, but the point is that your chest, stomach, and quads actually touch the ground. From there, push back down, or hands back down, and then you push up. So down and up. This breaks using any kind of momentum to fling your body up and down. What you want to make sure to avoid, though, is that you don't just allow your body to drop straight down and then bounce back up. Really use control so that you're lowering your body down, hand release, and back up. Down and back up. And that is a hand release push-up.